Let me take you back to 2011. As the owner of a small business, I had piles of personal and business-related documents and files. And as my company grew, so did my piling system. So I started looking at cloud-based solutions for an option where I could store those records in an online safe deposit box or an online safe. And what I found in researching, and what bothered me the most as a 34-year veteran of the financial service industry, is that cloud storage didn't provide the security needed or protect personal information the way the industry demanded. Cloud storage seemed more like a stranger's garage than the safe that I was looking for. So realizing that there are documents that are too important to be stored in a stranger's garage, we created My Virtual StrongBox and its patent-pending encryption and introduced it on the Finovate stage in 2012. So where are we now? I'm proud to say My Virtual StrongBox has 16 financial institutions as clients, with nearly 1.4 million consumers having access to our online safe deposit box. In the first 15 months, our clients have seen an adoption rate of nearly 11% of online banking users. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not your grandma's safe deposit box. I'm Ron Daly. This is Sam Thrift helping with the demo. Today we plan to introduce you to our new user experience and workflow capabilities that are changing banking. Sam, let's get started. So My Virtual StrongBox starts with 5 folders that can be set up by customized by the provider. From there, the user takes over the user experience and creates folders that make sense to them. Here you see Sam easily adding, moving, and deleting files. It's important to note that as files are added, the encryption locks that file so that only the user can unlock it again. With My Virtual StrongBox, it's always been easy to share a folder or a file with anyone. Now, rather than having to email a link, the user and the provider can instantly share documents with each other. This next generation file exchange eliminates steps and reduces the time needed to get documents to and from the financial institution. Here you see on the screen a copy of my driver's license. When Sam moves it to the To Provider folder, that license is instantly placed in the hands of the bank that provided the service. Just the other day, a $4 billion bank was looking for a faster way to get documents from customers and non-customers in their lending platform. My Virtual StrongBox and the transport system fit the bill perfectly. The borrowers can take their files, add it to a folder, and instantly share that folder with the provider of the service. Of course, they can always set up a secure link with a passcode, email the link to the loan officer, one click, enter the code, documents are instantly delivered to the loan officer. What else is new? This release includes a wizard that has images that can be tailored for younger generations, as you see here. You can tailor them for older generations with different characters or no characters at all. Let's focus on how to fill up a virtual StrongBox with the right documents. Here you see the wizard interviewing Sam and having her answer questions. As Sam answers the questions, they're suggesting documents that are associated with those answers. Getting back to we'll just switch to what else is new. Okay, so the users also came to us and said, we'd like a dashboard with easy to find information at a glance. So here you see our new user dashboard that provides information that is tracking or customizable to the user so they can track information important to them. So right now you're probably thinking, how is this any different than cloud storage providers? And you may even be tweeting that right now as well. So My Virtual StrongBox is not about data storage. It's anybody can do that. It's about using the cloud and new technology to help financial institutions get business done. Take a look at the screen as Sam shows you some new capabilities that came from our focus group and the suggestions that they made. The first thing they wanted is the ability to drop documents into a user's virtual StrongBox. So through our new APIs, banks can now place loan documents, mortgage closing packages, disclosures, you name it. With this process also comes 3 ways for the financial institution to share information without it ever leaving the encryption of My Virtual StrongBox. The bank can share with one user, a group of users, or all users in the system. This is banking at the speed of technology. The second item that they were looking for, and we'll switch to the iPad for this demo, is a way to expedite the delivery and return of documents to the financial institution. So here you see on the screen how we solve the old mail, fax, scan, email with a speedy, secure process. Imagine a call center rep needs to get an ACH form signed and returned ASAP. The rep can email a link to the customer clicks the link, completes the form, electronically signs the form as Sam did here, and hits submit. On submit, that form is instantly delivered to the customer's virtual StrongBox and the bank's virtual StrongBox for processing. Again, eliminating time and speeding up the process to deliver to and from a customer. The third thing they were looking for is a way to reward loyalty. So if loyalty and customer is part of your strategy, you're going to love this one. Here you see Sam easily rewarding a customer with more space. You can reward an individual user, a group of users, or all users as your strategy sees fit. One more thing, since we added the user dashboard, we decided to be proactive, and we added a client dashboard as well. So here you can see on the screen the new client dashboard with various aspects of the program and easy to use widgets. So now that we've told you what's new, let me tell you about an amazing opportunity for financial institutions. My Virtual StrongBox and its LifeMiner services is a perfect online tool to help the 56 million baby boomers that are going to be transferring their wealth and records to their heirs over the next 20 years. And who better to provide that service than the financial institution and their trusted partner? What's LifeMiners? Here you see Sam's answers earlier from the wizard. Let's say Sam's getting married. So when Sam updates her marital status, LifeMiner suggests documents associated with that change. LifeMiner can also tell you if your documents are missing or if they're too old. So LifeMiner will further enhance your position as a trusted partner. Thank you very much for your time today, and we invite you to come by the booth and learn a little bit more about My Virtual StrongBox.